The global spotlight is once again turning towards Pakistan's nuclear arsenal. And this time, the concern is not just about India. Across diplomatic and intelligence circles, a growing fear is taking shape. What if nuclear technology falls into the wrong hands? Not through war, but through money. According to senior Pakistani journalist and political analyst Najm Sethi, Pakistan's nuclear weapons are designed for one reason and one reason only: to deter India. He says Islamabad cannot match India in conventional military power, making nuclear weapons the country's ultimate shield of survival. Sethi explains that Pakistan's nuclear program was never meant to be an Islamic bomb, nor a threat to Israel or the United States. But that hasn't stopped global powers from watching closely. Why? Because the real anxiety, he says, is not about Pakistan firing a nuclear weapon. It is about Pakistan possibly selling nuclear technology. Wealthy Muslim nations, particularly in the Gulf, have the financial power to seek nuclear capability. And the fear in Western capitals is that economic pressure or political instability could tempt Pakistan into sharing nuclear know-how. This is where Israel enters the picture. Sethi says Israel has long opposed any Islamic nation possessing nuclear weapons and has kept Pakistan under constant surveillance. With unrest in Iran and shifting Middle East dynamics, pressure on Islamabad is expected to grow even stronger. Pakistan, meanwhile, has refused to sign a no-first-use nuclear agreement, something India and global powers have repeatedly pushed for. Sethi says Islamabad sees such a commitment as dangerous, given India's conventional military superiority. In short, Pakistan views its nuclear weapons not as tools of aggression, but as weapons of survival. Yet, the world sees something else: a fragile state with nuclear secrets that could reshape the balance of power if they ever fell into the wrong hands. And that is why Pakistan's nuclear future remains one of the most closely watched and feared stories on the global stage. With Shaurik Shah, Bureau Report, India Today Global.